Hey, what's up, guys? Name's Matt. This is my bike check. It's pretty late right now. I'm bored as fuck. My sister just went to the emergency room because she slit her toe. Nice. Okay. Uh, let's start it off. I'm on a webcam also, so don't shit on me if the video is not that good. Thanks. Alright, we're gonna start off with the front. These bars, the S&M slam bars. People complain about the weight, but it's not too bad. I like them. These are ODI long neck grips. I like them a lot. They're probably the best grips I've ever felt. Um, this shit, that's my lava lamp. This, I don't know if you can see it, is a Primo Pro Stem. Don't make fun of my jams. Primo Pro Stem. I like it. It's really nice. It has like the degrees on it on the side. You probably can't see that, but it has degrees on the side, so you can fix it how you want and whatever. It locks really nice. Um, impact headset. Impact headset. Sorry. Front wheel is some crap off of a fit that my friend gave me. It rolls pretty nice, but you know it's not that great. 14mm axles. I have Odyssey Classic dirt forks. They're nice. You know they're nice. They hold up pretty well. Um, the frame is a Aaron Ross 2010 Sunday Funday. See if I can lower that for you. Sunday Funday frame. I love it. It feels really good. I like the color too. It's hard to find. That's what people tell me. It's pretty hard to find. Also, the cranks, Primo hollow bites. Love the way they feel. They're pretty easy to crank. You can grease them up really nice. Stuff like that. Animal Hamiltons, the only pedals I'll ever ride. Ever ride. You can flame me if you want with those Odyssey PC people who love those shits. I really don't like them. And I'm gonna twist the pedals like everybody does in their videos. Nice. Uh, the seat is a animal pivotal, animal wedge in there. I don't know if you can see it. The lighting in here is trash. So yeah, it's pretty light. The back. Oh, let me turn this around for you. The sprocket is a Colony Gutler sprocket. 2 ounces. Not that bad. My back wheel is a black sheep, plain black sheep. Um, but it has a fit prototype hub in it. I cut down the axles, which I shouldn't have. Both tires are FAFs. Both tires. This one's run down a lot. And this one's 110 psi. It's fat as hell. Nice. Um, anyway, tell me what you tell me what you feel about the bike. Um, and what I could do to it. It's pretty light right now, but I'm recovering from surgery, so I built this bike from the ground up. I had a Harrow before. Don't make fun of me. Um, so I was building this bike while I recovered. Uh, seriously though, guys, tell me a good front rim. I'm about 190 pounds, pretty heavy. If you could honestly tell me a good front rim, good hubs. I really want to upgrade this front wheel, and just give me some tips as to how I can improve the bike. Uh, also, I ride in Harlem, the banks, stuff like that in New York City. So if y'all ride around here, give me a shout out. PM me and something like that, and maybe we can get together. Alright? Thanks, guys.